Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get STL file from Onshape. So first thing what we are need to do is go here to the bottom left of your screen and right click on the assembly tab, um, which contain your model. Alright, so now what we are going to do is we will now here under assembly right click on it and then select export. From this pop-up menu, what you are going to do here, you can rename your model name. And then we have here as format and select STL. Right, set the units. So STL format you have here, you can change it to text or binary. Then we have units. So I have it in millimeter, but you can change it to yard, meter, inch, foot, centimeter as you wish. Resolution, I go with fine, and then options. We have download, and store file in a new tab. I will just leave it as it is, so download. And what you need to do is next, just click on export, and just like that, you have your STL file um, you get from Onshape. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.